Hi, everybody. This is a short video illustrating a new feature that we at Suite Engine have added to our Channel Payments Manager extension, or CPM for short, that has the potential to really speed up your initial setup activities. CPM is our integration between Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central and Stripe's digital payment platform. This integration gives you the freedom to work with an external solution that meets your payment processing and collection needs while still being able to use your ERP system. There are a number of setup activities that need to be completed when you are initially deploying CPM into your Business Central environment. And one of these activities is the linking of your Business Central customers to your Stripe customers. This is a mandatory activity because when CPM retrieves payment information from Stripe, it needs to know which customer in Business Central to post the related ledger entries. Now, we've already published a separate video that walks through this entire customer linking process, and we've added a link to that video in the description for this video. So for a more comprehensive guide on how to perform this setup activity, you want to check out that separate video. As I stated in the introduction, the purpose of this video is to demonstrate some new functionality that's been added to CPM, and it concerns this idea of customer linking. So when it comes to linking customers, you can retrieve customer data from Stripe and then map those records to Business Central customers, or you can send Business Central customer information over to Stripe. And the second scenario is really useful if you have customer records in Business Central, but not in Stripe. Because as part of this process, Business Central not only sends the customers to Stripe, it actually creates new records in Stripe for those customers. And so again, if you have a scenario where you, for example, have been working with Business Central, maybe for some time, so you have all of your customers set up there, but you are just getting started with Stripe. So you're rolling out Stripe along with CPM at the same time, and you don't have any customer records in Stripe, you can send your Business Central customers over to Stripe. CPM will instruct Stripe to create the customer record, and then it will also retrieve the Stripe customer ID back to Business Central, creating the link. And the way that this has always worked has been from the customer card. So if I open up a customer, we've added a payment platform links fact box. That's always been a part of CPM. You can see it's currently blank. And what we would do is we would click Actions and then choose the Create Payment Platform Link action. The customer's information is sent to Stripe. A new customer record is created. This information is then retrieved back into Business Central. If we look at the Payment Platform Links fact box now, we can see that the customer's Stripe ID is present here. So we've established a link now between our Business Central customer and a related customer record in Stripe. So that's traditionally been the way in which customer information has been sent from Business Central to Stripe. Some of the feedback we received was that this process can be a little cumbersome if you have a large volume of customers you wish to send, because you need to perform this on a customer by customer basis. So if I wanted to now create a second payment platform link, I would need to navigate to another card. I would have to rerun this process. And you can imagine if I have 200 customers or 2,000 customers, that's going to be a long process to get them all sent over to Stripe. So the new feature that I'm excited to share with you all today is the ability to uh, send customer information over to Stripe from the customer list rather than the card. And as part of that, the ability to select multiple customers at once. So what we can do, for example, is select all of these customers. And you'll notice I'm selecting the customer that we already created the link for, and you'll see why in a minute. And then we can go to Actions, and we can choose the Mass Create Payment Platform Links action. We're prompted to confirm that we want to perform this activity. We say yes. And CPM sends over the customer information for all of our selected records to Stripe. And you'll see that it then returns a message to us saying that we created 3 payment platform links, but one already existed. And again, that was the one for which we already had an existing link. So it will only create links for customers that don't already have an existing link for that platform. So if you, for example, select a wide range of customers and some of those already do have a link for the desired platform, there aren't going to be any errors. The process isn't going to stop or abort or anything like that. It will only create the links for those customers that don't have a link. So you can imagine the benefits to this now. Instead of having to go customer by customer to create this relationship with Stripe, you can select a range, you can select all customers, whatever it is you need, and send them all over to Stripe as part of a single activity. One other small change we added, I'm going to very quickly create a second payment platform. You can see I only have one set up right now. I'm going to create a second one, and I don't need to give any information beyond the code to it. So I'm not going to set it up or anything. But the thing I wanted to show is if you have multiple payment platforms set up in Business Central, when you run this process, the mass create payment platform link process, or if you open a customer card and just want to create a payment platform link for that single customer, either way, if you have multiple payment platforms set up, you will be prompted to select the payment platform to which you want to create the link before the information is sent over. So when we initially performed this activity a few minutes ago, we only had the one payment platform set up in Business Central, so CPM just automatically created links for that platform. If you have more than one link, or more than one platform, I should say, then you'll be prompted to indicate which platform you want to send the customer information to. And that's it. Again, not a huge, groundbreaking change, but definitely one that can really speed up the CPM setup process. Uh, I hope you're as excited to try out this new feature as I've been to share it with you. As always, if you have questions on setting up other parts of your CPM solution, please be sure to check out all of our other published videos.